in memory of Officer Briggs from Manchester, New Hampshire. These guys looking for the green. Flagman likes it, sends him green. 83 out front with the 99 at Boatwell in second place. Number 7, Brad Zielinski in third. Our own Jack Walker in third place. Jack's first outing in a Tiger Sprint. Moving up from quarter midgets to number 83 of Ryan Berry out front. Number 99 of Dylan Boatwell trying to chase him down. He's got some help out there with the number 7. First time at 106, out there about 5 or 6 cat lengths. Looks like the 99 and the 7 are going to reel him in. Flagman gives him halfway. 99 and the 7 are working together, trying to catch the 83 of Ryan Berry. Second place, Dylan Boatwell. Third place, Brad Zielinski. Jack Walker is the new 95 out there for his first outing. Staying on the lead lap, doing a great job. Ryan Berry still out front. '99 and the 7 working together. They're reeling him in. There's a bit of teamwork here trying to catch the leader. Looks like the two second and third place a little bit faster than the leader. Don't know if they have enough time. Flagman gives them 2 to go. These guys got to catch him and catch him fast. Going to be coming up on lap traffic to the 95J of Jack Walker. See how they negotiate the lap traffic. The 99 tries to go under the 83. Little bumping and grinding there. Got to get that up by lap traffic. The 99 goes to the outside to try to follow him. The 83 takes the win.